Here is a Lasko 20-inch Deluxe portable ultra cooler. This is what the nameplate says. I have no idea on a model. I just picked this up today, and it is filthy. And I mean filthy. This thing was ran hard. I mean, it's kind of heavy to move around. I mean, the back of the blades are even dusty. This is a direct driven motor. It is not belt driven. I do have the belt driven version of this. And it is sitting in that stack down there at the end. That's for a different day. But anyway, I have not serviced it, obviously. It is forward and reverse, 2-speed, high and low, and has a thermal switch. And I have it to where it's blowing towards me. I will not run it in reverse just because of all the dust. This is a before video. I will do an after video of it being serviced. Anyway, we'll start up on low. Really good air mover, but I would expect so, being a 5-blade metal blade fan with a pretty good sized pitch. Even for as dusty as it is, it throws out some air. Let's see if I can pull it out from the wall a little bit. Don't want to stand in front of it because it's just blowing dust at me right now. And we'll go to high. I mean, this thing just freaking moves. I bet it'd probably throw out much better air if it was cleaned out. I mean, I can even hear it. I can even hear in the blade set that it's just dirty. I'll go off. Yeah, this is the first one I've ever seen that was a direct driven motor. This is the third one that I've seen surface in the fan community, and this is the second one that I own, and I have another one. So really there's only been one other person that's posted a picture of it that I have seen. Now there has been others that have posted something on it a long time ago that I haven't seen yet. So technically 4 have surfaced within the fan community. And I have 2 of them of different models. There is a more basic model that is just a 3-speed, no intake or out, and no cooler, and it does not have a penthouse control like this one does. But anyway, that is it, and until next time.